Okay, and this one. Haha, hey, you caught me. I've been doing some stuff when you guys were not here. I'm sorry, man, I couldn't help myself. Let me show you around and so you can see what I've been doing. So I've got the whole front end assembled finally, hopefully. There's been quite a few videos about me building this thing. Yes, a whole series of them. But here we are. I've decided to leave my whole grill bare metal. So I've given it my favorite boiled linseed oil mix. I've posted a video about that as well if you want to check it out. I love it. I've done the headlights finally, the turn signals. In South Africa we call them indicators. They are finally in place. I still need to do something about a bumper. Gonna have to see what I can come up with here. Don't think the stock bumper is gonna do it for me. Let me open this and then you can see some other things that's going on inside. So this goes down onto stop start down there, like so. I might actually fit some gas stabilizers or gas shocks, what do you call them? The engine is finally in place. Got the mounting brackets built, there was a video about that. Got the radiator in place finally, bolted back into place. Radiator pipes are fitted. Making progress. So you're on the left side. I'm busy building a bracket for the battery. Just checking it out. Still need to paint it. Yeah, it looks quite close to the tire here, but I think it's going to work. It'll be fine. I've started installing some battery cable. It goes through to the starter. Here's the solenoid. Yeah. I've been making some P-brackets to hold the battery cable, this one, and there's another little P-bracket that's holding the brake line. I make them out of aluminium. If you want me to do a video about making these little P-brackets, let me know in the comments. Very easy to make, and you can make them to any size you want. This is just a stabilizing bar, shall we call it, that's holding the battery box. I still need to paint it. And then all those small little things that take time. Fitted a new clutch slave cylinder down there, that's back in place. I had to make a new little, what do you call that thing? That little push rod thing. Yeah, I had to make a new one there. Pipes are in. Brake lines. Busy with that. These are the wires for the headlights and the turn signal. I've still got to do the wiring up here. Well, actually for that matter, I'm going to have to do the wiring on the whole bloody truck. I'm just going to close this up so I can show you how the hood latches work. This thing's quite heavy actually. Right, so the hood latches. I suppose I must come closer so you can see how they work. Hang on. Okay, so now you can see them better. They just built from mild steel that I cleaned up. I'm also going to give them my boiled linseed oil finish. I love this bare metal look. So yeah, I've drilled some holes in here. I think that looks a bit better. And that's pretty much how they work. So there you go. Over center. I drilled these 4 holes in here just for fun. I think they look sexy. I'm still going to paint it black inside there. And I think that 4 holes kind of fits in with the 4 exhaust pipes down here. I'm going to leave my flames bare metal as well for now. Kind of matches the grill, I think. and all the other bare metal sort of touches, if you want to put it like that. I still need to work more on my patina. Started a little bit here, but yeah, more on the patina. I will do more about that in part 3 of my fake patina series of videos. Hey, and special shout out to Kobus Maree from Uitenhage in the Eastern Cape. I know things. It's the man's 58th birthday on the 24th, the day before Christmas. Happy birthday, brother. And watch out, there's a present on the way from the dearest wifey Liesel. I want to know what it is. Yeah, so what else? I think you folks are pretty much up to date with what's going on here at the moment. What else can I show you? I think that's pretty much it. Short video, I know. I still got to do a lot of small things, small mechanical things, yeah. Remember one thing? How does a mouse eat an elephant? One tiny bite at a time. Hey folks, thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time. Have a good one.